Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. This is week 3 of my Mini Kit Monday. And as you can see, the very first thing I showed was that awesome cut file. I got that from Paige Evans' Facebook page. It was free. In fact, she had 3 words that she had created for free cut files. So if you are looking to get free cut files, make sure you check out her Facebook page. Is Scrap Happy. Anyway, so this is going to be my last page that I'm creating out of this kit. I really wanted to try to use that background paper that I created, but I end up just saving that. Now I'm going through all the scraps and trying to figure out what I'm going to use to back each one of the letters. And Shazam, it's done, completed. I just went through all my scraps and just chose some that kind of coordinated well with each other. And I'm using this dark blue as my background paper, and I mat it with the white, so it has a little bit of a contrast there. The floral on the back side is very pretty, but it's a little too busy for me, and I really like this dark blue better. I'm more drawn to that. That busyness is just too much. All right, so here we are. Everything's complete. I'm going to put my photo down here at the bottom. I have it angled right here. I don't know why I do that. I seem to regret it whenever I do attach a photo at an angle. I end up straightening it out as my end result, but that's the way it's looking right now. I'm kind of going through some of my embellishments, trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I'm trying to find something to map behind the photos, and I kind of touch every piece of paper that I have. I'm trying to find something. At this point, I still don't know what I'm going to call this page, but the photo is of me. I just got some new glasses. I got them from Zinni, and it's an online store. I've ordered my previous glasses from them as well. I didn't even know you could do that. So all you do is you get your prescription from your doctor, and then you send them what your prescription is to Zinni, and they create glasses for you. Now, I wear bifocals. I'm not ashamed to say that. Uh, I am glad that I can see, so the lines don't bother me, with bifocals. I tried that where you can, where you don't have lines, and it only gave me a headache. So I definitely need to have a line when I do, order my glasses. In fact, my vision got better. I've always had pretty bad vision, so I was kind of impressed that one of them got better. Part of it got better, part of it got worse, but, you know, I could tell that the current, prescription that I had wasn't working, and so that's why I went and saw my doctor. So, anyway, so you order it from, Zinni, and it took about 3 weeks to get, and, I was able to get everything, including the transitional, and it was under $100. So just the cost of it was just phenomenal. The first time I bought some bifocals, they were $300. So, yeah, I'm all about saving some money, and it makes it where if I get tired of these frames, I can order more. It's definitely, um, more affordable to be able to do that. Now, I showed in just a minute ago that the little star that goes on top of the star, which is the O for awesome, I added some foam tape because, I like to have a little bit of elevation, on my page somewhere. So that's one element that I do elevate it. And I choose to use this frame. I'm just going to cut it in half and put it on both sides of my photo. When they're skinny like this, I like to use my wet glue instead of my ATG gun because I think this is like a quarter of an inch. Um, and that's exactly the size of my ATG gun. And I don't want, all that sticky stuff all over the place. So I put these 2 little, rectangles on the side of my photo because I am going to have a base to put my title. And of course, you can see that I straightened out my photo. I put some foam tape behind it. I need to put some foam tape on the back of this, smile phrase because I wanted to overlap my photo a little bit. Now I used the little stars that were in my kit. Now the stars had some clear, some light blue, and some white stars. And of course, all you could see were the white ones, so that's all that I used. I'm using my Distress Collage Medium to glue the stars down. When I was putting the ATG on uh, my word awesome, it ripped between the M and the E. You can't tell, you know, but it got a little aggressive there. So I just did a little fixing it up. Oh, I love these foam letters. They are I got them last year. In fact, I think I bought 3 packages. They're from one of Paige Evans' collections. Oh, man, I just love the size that there's the white and then there's navy, and I use them both. So I am so glad that I got lots of those letters that they'll last I think they'll last me a little bit because you get lots of, A's, the vowels, the letters you use the most, you get plenty of those. Okay, so it's gonna be real simple. Awesome New Glasses is my title. And because they're foam, they're so easy to put on. They are, oh, what am I trying to say? They're very sticky. So as opposed to chipboard where you have to glue them down, you don't have to worry about that with the foam. And I'm going to put the year. I get new glasses about every other year. Well, so I say. It's probably longer than that. I don't know. What does everybody do with their glasses you don't wear anymore? I have a collection in my drawer. I have, oh my God, a dozen pairs of glasses. They're kind of funny to look at. My kids laugh at them now when I was wearing them in the 80s. Oh, mom, I can't believe you wore that. So here's the sequins. This is the ones that were in my kit. They're the silver and the kind of an iridescent. And I used the Distress Collage Medium to glue those down. Make sure you check out the other ladies that are a part of the group. And I've left their information in my description box. Here's the close-ups. Hey, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.